Hello, you're welcome to my channel, Smart Idea TV, where we bring different money making opportunities to you, both online and offline. My name is Lukman. Today, I want to quickly look at a money making opportunity in the agri sector. That is how to make money planting watermelon without cutlass or you don't need cutlass or to make money from planting watermelon. Watermelon, as we all know, is the kind of fruit that is so popular in our environment. A lot of people love it, both young and old. Everybody love watermelon. Apart from the uh, medicinal value of watermelon, it's also very good and refreshing, especially during the hot weather. It refreshes you and make you feel very cool. And a lot of people have started making money from watermelon planting, and I just thought, well, to my subscribers, let me bring these money making ideas to you. In my previous video that I did on making money from watermelon farming without cutlass or no, I will link that in the description, or I will put the video so that you can, if you have not watched it, you can just go ahead and watch it. By the way, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. Press the subscribe button and press the notification bell, and also smash the like button. It will go a long way to help this channel. At the same time, you'll be the first to be notified when we release good videos like this. And in watermelon farming, how to make money planting watermelon without, you don't need cutlass or I have done a whole video on the introduction to this money making opportunity. But today, due to the questions I received from those who watched that video, I want to quickly do a quick one on what are the seasons to plant watermelon. A lot of people feel, if you can plant watermelon in Nigeria, what are the seasons that when can you really plant watermelon? And in this video, I want to mention 3 good seasons. In some places they will say 2 seasons, but in Nigeria we have 3 planting seasons. So the first one is early planting season, and this one is between 3rd to 15th of March. Once you start clearing, when it gets to February, early February or late February, you start clearing. So as early as 3rd, between 3rd and 15th of March, you have to start planting. That is the first planting season, the early planting season, between 3rd to 15th of March. And this season is regarded as the safest season. So the second season is the mid planting season. This planting season is between June 15 to July 15. Between June 15 and July 15 is the mid planting season. This one is profitable. It's the most profitable of all the seasons, but is the most risky. It's very risky. Anybody that wants to go into this to plant during this season have to be very, very careful. For me, I don't really recommend for beginners. If you are doing it for the first time, I don't recommend mid planting season. You can see during June and July the rain is so much, and watermelon as a fruit does not like rain so much. Anywhere that you want to use should not be waterlogged. So I don't really recommend the second planting, the mid planting season for beginners. And the top planting season is the late planting season. It's between September 3rd to the 15th. Between September 3rd to the 15th. This planting season is also very, very safe. You can plant during this season. So as a beginner, you can just capitalize on the early planting season and the late planting season. And when you understand the planting season, then your job is half done. There are so many other things you have to put into consideration, but this video is just to address the planting season for watermelon. And before I go, I want to say again that watermelon, you can actually plant watermelon and some other crops, cash crops, we don't need cutlass or hoe. It's a new system way of planting now. You don't really need anything. The only thing you need is you have the land and you have the seed to plant. You have the other things you want to use, but you don't really need cutlass or hoe. Everything will be taken care of. So if it's something that you are interested in, you can contact me. I will leave my contact in the description. Just contact me so that we can if you have any questions or you want to go into it, you want my advice, I can give you advice. So before I go, if you have not subscribed to this channel, consider subscribing now. Hit the subscribe button and press the notification so that when next I release videos, you'll be the first to be notified. Until I come your way again, remain financially smart and don't forget, we can all succeed together.